Let's talk about an easy way to speed up your daily bookkeeping. If you have a lot of invoices to record, you don't need to enter them one at a time. In QuickBooks Online Advanced, you can use batch transactions to speed up your data entry and record multiple invoices at the same time. We'll go over 2 ways to use the batch invoicing feature: how to record multiple separate invoices at once, and how to make copies of one invoice that you can send to multiple customers. To get started, select New and then Batch Transactions. From this menu, select the type of transaction you want to create. Let's focus on invoices for now. In addition to creating new invoices, you can also use this screen to modify or delete existing invoices. Your options may be different based on your settings. Enter the customer to whom you want to invoice. QuickBooks automatically numbers your invoices, picking up where your last invoice was entered, but you can change the numbers if you want. When you enter a customer's name, QuickBooks enters their email address, terms, and other information for you. You can fill it in on this screen in case it is not in the records. In the Product Service column, select the products and services you are charging your customer for. If you want to track the quantity of a product or service sold, fill that in the Quantity column. If you are charging the customer for more than one product or service, you can move your cursor over the Product Service column and add them by selecting the plus button. This gives you another line to enter more products and services. Keep adding more lines until you have entered all the required data to finish the invoice. Then, record the rest of the data for the sale. Treat it like any other invoice. Check on charging the VAT for the product or service. You can also mark an invoice to be sent later, if required. We recommend sending them off on this screen after you have filled everything out. Once you've entered everything you're charging a customer for, QuickBooks shows the invoice total on the top line. Now just scroll to the left and start another invoice. This is how you can batch, enter, and send multiple individual invoices at once. If you are sending the same invoice to multiple customers, right-click the row of the invoice you want to duplicate and select Duplicate Row for Multiple Customer. From the drop-down, select another customer you want to send an identical invoice to. Select as many as you like. Then select Next. QuickBooks copies the invoice for all the customers you chose. You can edit specific invoices before finalizing and sending them. Just select the ones that are to be edited and change any information as required. You can also remove products and services from an invoice. Select the product and service box and right-click. Select Clear. You can also delete invoices if you change your mind. Select the row of the invoice and right-click. Then select Delete Row. Select Customize Columns to remove or retain any of the columns. QuickBooks also lets you import invoices from a spreadsheet by selecting the Import option here. You can also create these batch invoices in a spreadsheet by selecting Create in Spreadsheets. Once you're done, you can select Save or Save and Send your invoices to customers. Now you're ready to save time and record invoices in a batch.